Hey guys, how's it going? How to configure notifications in Perplexity AI. So for this to work, I'll open up the Perplexity AI app. Make sure that you update it to the latest version. Click your avatar icon at the top left. Scroll a little bit down and get to see push notifications. Make sure that you allow notifications for your Perplexity AI so you can get the new updates, right? And this is where you toggle the notifications on or off for different activities like add new answers, updates, or alerts. And another way of doing it, you can just go back to your screen, go ahead to the settings, right? Scroll a little bit down to the apps, and then search for Perplexity. Go ahead, make sure that you allow the notifications for Perplexity in order to get the new updates like new answers, update, or any other update from the official website or official Perplexity AI platform. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. We will definitely see you in the next one.